Okay, so we've created our new model, but it's not showing up in the administration area yet. So that's a quick and easy fix. We just need to go to, let's see, inside of our courses directory, the admin.py file, and we just need to add a couple of things. So from .models, which is this file right here that we just played with in the last video, we want to import that class we just created, which is course. And that is just what we named this class right here, course. So we're saying, hey, import the course, right? So that will import it. Now we need to register it with our admin section. So we go admin.site.register and then just pass in that name of that class, course. So if we save this and then head back over to our web browser and hit reload, boom, courses shows up. And you can see there are 0 courses because we haven't added any yet, but we can now. We can click this add course button, and this is why this admin area is super cool. We don't have to create any Python web pages in order to create a form that we have to fill out to add things to our database. We can just use this admin area, and it is super useful. Now, if you were creating a website where you wanted to do this on a website, you'd have to do all that stuff, but we're not. We're just creating an API that we want to update right here easily, right? Now, later on, we'll build out the API on the website itself, and there'll be a form there where we can add stuff and edit stuff. But for right now, we don't have anything yet. So let's just add a couple of them. So I'm going to add a couple of my courses that I have. So let's just do a couple, 2 or 3. So one of them is Python programming for everyone. The language is Python, and the price, let's say $49. So we can save and add another. So next we have Ruby programming for everyone. It is Ruby language. And again, I'm just going to put $49. So save and add another one. We've got JavaScript programming for everyone. Language of that is JavaScript. And for that one, we're going to say $49 for that. So we can go ahead and save. Now check this out. If we go back to our home here and we see our courses section, if we click on this, we have this weird course object 3, course object 2, course object 1. If we click on any of them, we can see it's the stuff, but that's awkward, right? Can we change this? And actually we can, and it is super, super easy. We just head back over to our models.py file, and inside of our class, make sure you're indented in. And I should mention, if you don't know, this is a tab. I haven't hit the space key a bunch of times. This is tab, and Python is tab sensitive, so it's important that you tab where you see me tab. So tab over here, and we can just define underscore underscore str underscore underscore, and then pass in self. And then inside of here, we can just return self.name. And so basically self is just our course. We're passing our course into this thing, and we want to return self.name. What is .name? That's this thing right up here, right? The name field in our database. So if we save this, head back over to our web browser and hit reload, unable to connect. Let's close this. Oh. Invalid syntax. That's weird. Let's try that again. Oh, there we go. We need a space there. Doy. All right, so define space underscore underscore. All right, so save this. This should work now. There we go. And you'll see if we go home, click on courses, boom, now the names show up. And that's just because of these 2 lines of code. Again, make sure they're indented correctly. Put a space here. And very cool. So, okay. I think we're pretty much done with the sort of Django-y stuff. Now we need to do the API stuff to get this working as an API, and I think we'll start to do that in the next video.